Want $20K, $50K, or even $100K in available credit? You don't need perfect credit or a big income, you need a plan. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how people build massive credit lines in under a year, using tools the wealthy and credit pros already know about. Step 1. Start with a secured credit card. Start with the right foundation, a secured credit card. Don't just go for a $200 card. If possible, start with $1,000 or more. That bigger deposit helps you graduate faster. Top picks. Discover It Secured. 2% cash back plus automatic graduation. Navy Federal and Rewards. Reports to all bureaus. Capital One Secured. Low barrier. Grows over time. Use it lightly. Pay it off every month. This builds trust. Step 2. Piggyback with authorized user accounts. Next, piggyback off someone else's good credit, using an authorized user account. Ask a family member or friend with 5+ years of history. $10K plus limit, no late payments. You don't even need to use the card. You'll inherit their credit age and limits, giving you an instant score boost. Step 3. Use credit builder accounts. While your new trade lines age, stack more accounts that report monthly. These accounts show lenders you're reliable and consistent. Best credit builder tools in 2025. Self Inc. CreditStrong, Chime Credit Builder, Kickoff, Grow Credit. These don't require hard pulls and build your profile fast. Step 4. Request credit limit increases. Every 120 days, request a credit line increase. Pro tip: call and ask if they can do it without a hard inquiry. If you've paid on time, many issuers will automatically increase your limit. Cards known for generous limit bumps. American Express, Discover, Capital One, Apple Card through Wallet app. Each increase raises your available credit and lowers your utilization. Step 5. Apply for business credit cards, no PG. Once your personal credit is strong, move to business credit and access larger limits with no personal guarantee. Build your LLC, EIN, and business checking account. Top options: Divvy, Ramp, Brex. Some cards approve based on revenue or account balance, not your credit score. Step 6. Keep utilization low. Here's a rule most people break. Don't use more than 30% of any limit. And for best results, keep it under 10%. Pay balances before your statement closes to lock in the lowest reported usage. Wrap up. Follow this strategy and you can go from $0 to $50, 000 plus in credit in 6-12 months. These are real, legal methods that work. No gimmicks. Want to learn how to build business credit or unlock funding? Subscribe and follow for more advanced money strategies.